Hi guys, Dove here, back with another video, and today I'm here with my friend. And yeah, so shout out to her. So I'm gonna be doing a narration video today, or like I'll have narration with my voice. And I'm sorry if I sound horrible because I've got a cold, and there's a cat eating food back there. So yeah, so I'm gonna have her say hi. I'm demanding her to say hi. I demand you to say hi. Say hello to the people. She's not saying anything. Why aren't you speaking in person? She won't speak to me. She has nothing on her. She's asking me if I want to trade, and there's not even anything on her trade list. So yeah, guys. So no, I don't. No. Okay. So my next video will be a main look video, and I might have to change it soon. But I know I don't have that many items. I overtrade. But I'm pretty sure this is gonna be my main item, my main look right here. But I don't know. So yeah. Yes, I would like some Cupid wings. I want you to say hi though. Say hi though. She's just like totally not listening to me at all. And if you didn't know, this is my den. I got it as a gift. I don't have very many dens, but I'm gonna switch it right now, and I'm gonna put it to my water den. So yeah, let's do this. Second chip. And I've got a bunch of stuffed animals in this painting my friend made for me. I don't know, like I traded for it, but she said she made it for me, so that I can remember her. She is. Okay, so she's got her wings on trade. Oh, she's also got a tutu. Oh, I think she's the one that I traded with. I don't know if this is gonna be unfair or not. I'm just gonna put what I always put on trades because I don't like this stuff. My mom gifted it to me. Like, no, not my tutu. That is part of my main look. But I might just ask her for another tutu just because I don't like if I want to trade mine so I can get like another flower crown or something. Why am I whispering? I don't know. It's really weird to me. So yeah, my cat's eating in the background. Oh, she declined. I'm gonna ask what for tutu. And I'm gonna say I'm getting one from a friend. So yeah, but I actually am. I'm gonna she asked for one, and if I can't actually get hers, I will get it. I will put her stuff for her. I'll put all of this here. Even the hair, even though I love that hair. Again, my mom gifted it to me. There, it's my offer. Okay, my offer's on trade. That is my offer. I have no clothes on this animal because I actually don't have any clothes for this animal because I'm not underwater usually, so I'm gonna switch it back. Alright, there we go. I switched it back. And I'm actually going to switch my animal to... See, as you can see, most of my animals have that same look. Yeah, almost all of them, except for my lynx. Yeah, because my name is Mr. One. I don't know why, but I hate it because it names the animal for you. And I don't know how to change the animal's name, which sucks. So, yeah. Flower crown this spike. There we go. Now I am ready to go. I love the way that animal plays, so yeah. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom. So, Oh my god. Yeah, let's put that back on. I like to wear candy cane socks on this animal just because, you know, science. No, I'm just kidding. Wait, oh, my phantom's behind me. Like, where's my pet phantom? Oh, reminds me. I need to put my pet kangaroo out that I got yesterday. Because, no, I am not giving you my dress because that is my mother's dress. She'll be very mad at me if I give it to you. Yes, but it's my mom's. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. I don't know why I randomly said that, but whatever. I just did because I felt like it. Your mom plays. No. My AJ mom. No, my AJ mom. My mom that is on Animal Jam. My mom that adopted me on Animal Jam. I have like so many moms. It's not even funny. So I used to have this mom until I got adopted by Reese's Burger. Shout out to her, BTW. And this guy used to be my boyfriend until he's like, "You're the ugliest person I've ever seen." Whatever. So where is it? Oh, this girl. This is just the girl that gave me all those clothes. Oh, she's got a cougar. Oh my god, she's got a blackout. So do I though. Where's a spike and a crown? I only have this spike, so I'm sorry I'm not giving you anything. I want the tutu, so I will offer for this tutu. This, 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 and this. Trade. I'm trading this. This is what I mean by I overtrade for stuff that I already have. And she doesn't even care. Whatever. I'm gonna go to AJ school and start some drama. Who should I be? Pretty sure I'm gonna be this. I'm gonna go down the slide. Woo! Yippee, 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 yo, yippee, yippee, yo, yippee. Oh, you can't do this in this game. On AJ Play Wild, you can actually do a movement while going down the slide. Okay, this is really weird. They don't even put their feet behind them. They just like totally stiff it out. Alright, whatever. Let's go. AJ School. So boom, bada bing, bada boom. And then, oh, here we go. Not a pari. Who is not a pari? Who are we talking about right now? I know who a pari is, but why are we yelling not a pari? Oh yeah, they look so basic. You is basic, y'all. I guess. I don't know. You is basic, y'all. I'm offended. Totally. So offended. Well, I'm just gonna join this drama right here. This is plenty of drama. You is so basic. Yeah, no you ain't, girl. You look like everyone else. Bada bing, bada boom, make my body appear. Da 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 do 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 do. Hey, I'm gonna yell at her. Get off your iPad. iPod. Yo, I'm like that one kid that's just like yelling at everyone. Get off your iPod. blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah. Oh my god, my computer. Can you, okay, complete silence. Do you hear that? It's loud. No, it's not like that. It's not like that. Get off the pod. Right now, I'm gonna yell at her. Dude, I'm gonna do that Wisteria thing. Dude. I'm Sneak Styria. I don't know how I should spell that. Stiaria. Dude, oh, just let me say that. I'm gonna bite you. I will bite you. You know, I'm gonna be that weird kid. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna be that bird that just sits and watches everybody. Kids these days, totally, girl, totally. I know just what you mean. Slaps, take us. Oh my god, girl, you are intense. Alright, I'm gonna stop being weird now, and I'm gonna stop just saying girl, so yeah. You shall teach. What is 4 plus 4? 8. I'm just gonna swoop in there saying 8. I'm slapping the teacher. Oh, it doesn't let me say that. Alright. Alright, people. You are weird. There's not a lot of drama here, so I'm gonna leave. I actually don't know what that is for. Actually, I do, but whatever. Where the spicy drama at? I know, right? I'm gonna say I'm filming right now, but there's no freaking drama. So, shout out to however you say that, ScareToth99. I'm gonna buddy her, and she's not accepting. How rude are you? There's no draw. I am making a video, and there is no drama. It's the game Screen Glass. Nope. I gave you a shout out. So she doesn't like videos. Bite me, daddy. See? Weird teacher. Well, they've got their own little system over here. Weird people. Sorry about that. I've always wanted one of those tail whipping things. Ew. Ew. I don't want. People are weird here. What? Oh, this is a very well behaved class. I'm going to though. I'm trying to start some drama here.